In this video, I'm going to show you how to do the copy with your Brother MFC-J4335 DW printer. We can use top scanner for the copy process. Just place a page you want to copy. Should be facing down on the upper corner. Go to the printer display panel. Press the copy button. We have the options to use, so you can just go down. You can enlarge or reduce the copy size. You can also change how much density of the color you need. You can remove the background. You can enable two-sided copy. So there are lots of options we can use from here. Once we are ready to print, we can select color copy or we can select the black copy from here. So I'm going to do the color. Paper output tray is here. Thanks for watching.